Hello and welcome back everyone. If you'd like to view your Roblox password, in today's video we will be guiding you through the process in order to do so. So without any delay, let's just dive right into the video. So one of the easiest way possible if you'd like to view your password is we do not have a direct way possible for that using Roblox. So when we head over to the settings icon in the top right from roblox.com and access our settings, and go to account info, you will be finding this login methods in a password available. So this is my password right now. If you'd like to view it, the only method possible is using saved password within your Google or any kind of accounts available. So if you'd like to go ahead and view your password, you can go ahead and access your Google account. So click on the plus icon and go to the Google account. You can head over to account.google.com or directly to your profile in the top right from Chrome. Go to manage your Google account and open up myaccount.google.com and access the account. From here, you can go ahead and directly search for my password and tap on it. Or go over to password manager and open up the password manager on your account. So here is your password available. You will look out for Roblox here. So we have Roblox here. So if you'd like to view your password, the only method available is set, as I said, is viewing it under your password manager. So go to roblox.com from here, go ahead and find it up, and you need to continue by verifying yourself first. Once you verify yourself here, Roblox will show you your name and username, and along with that, they will show you your password here. So if you'd like to view your password, you need to go ahead and click on this view icon, the eye icon right beside it. And when you click on it, it will directly show you the password you may be looking for. You can just go ahead and confirm it, and that is how you view it. After that, you can go to Roblox, and if you're trying to log in, you can just go ahead and log in using the password available for your account. And that's it. So that is it for today's video. We hope this video was helpful to you. So don't forget to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.